Hello everyone. Myself Sandhya Onkara Hire, Assistant Professor in ENTC Department from ASSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today's topic is Toyota Production System or Just in Time, a case study under the Total Quality Management. Introduction. Toyota Motor Company is very well known around the globe for manufacturing high quality automobiles. Toyota introduced many techniques for its famous Toyota production system, just like just-in-time system, Kanban system, Jidoka system. The just-in-time system is the set of technique that was first adopted and published by Toyota Motor Corporation of Japan as the part of its Toyota production system. History of just-in-time. The technique was first used by the Ford Motor Companies during 1920s, but the technique was subsequently adopted and publicized by Toyota Motor Corporation of Japan as the part of its Toyota production system, that is TPS. In 1954, Japanese giant Toyota implemented this concept in order to reduce the wasteful overstocking in car production. Just-in-time implementation. Back in Japan, Sakaiji customized the Ford production system to suit Japanese market. He also devised system wherein each process in the assembly line of production would produce only the number of parts needed at the next step on production line, which made logistic management easier as material was procured according to the consumption. This system was referred to as just in time within Toyota Group. The just in production was defined as producing only necessary units in necessary quantity at a necessary time, resulting in decreased excess inventories and excess workforce, thereby increasing productivity. Benefits of just in time: reduce the setup times in warehouses. Toyota in this case focus on other processes that might need improvement. Improve flows of goods throughout the warehouse. Employee was able to process the good faster. Multi-skill employees utilized more efficiently. Better consistency of scheduling and consistency of employee work hours if there is no demand for a production at a time. These are the reference. Thank you.